2 years warranty. Professional technical team at your service anytime. And ho, the builder good and long-time cooperation. Professional technical team at your service anytime. And ho, the builder good and long-time cooperation. Also be called wire dryer for drying original wood veneer. Remove abundant humidity in the end. The wood veneer humidity will be 5. Shandong Ming Hong Wood Machinery Company Limited.
Hot press has 500 ton, 600 ton, 800 ton, 1000 ton, 1200 ton, 10 layer, 12
for cutting 4 edges of plywood. So all plywood size will be same and tightness. It's working way or semi-automatic. Only put plywood on machine. The saw machine will automatically trimming plywood edges. After finish trimming, machine will stacking plywood automatically.